Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to a fully packed shop. It's been a couple of weeks. The car was at the body shop and it also finally got painted. We found a lot of rust on the side skirts. I'm gonna put some images in that I took after prepping everything for the body shop. It was then at the body shop for a full month, and then afterwards it got repainted, or parts of the car, and we now have the car here in the shop. And I initially just wanted to do the body works and then drive it because the condition on the interior was quite alright on first sight. But then I realized that the interior materials, everything just didn't really look as good anymore. So I decided to go full ham again on this project, and to make it even crazier, I literally right now only have 10 days to complete the car. And as you can see in a second, it is empty in the interior. So definitely going to be a fun project. I've been working up late last night, prepping everything. I'm gonna clean the interior today. And then I'm gonna start gluing the new interior parts, which I have 26 parts here. I'm gonna mount the shifter, the steering wheel, new sound system, a lot to do, and we only have a bit more than a week to go. So let's have a quick look. Alright then, so the car, as you can see, we're still missing the rear light. We're working on that solution. There is some problem in the wiring there somewhere. We have some of the parts on the side here. I'm going to clean these afterwards. Some of the seats, the leather's still really good on the seats, so that's great at least. We now also have a full lighting setup in the shop, as you can see. So we have bright light to work with, that is super nice. And over there, Frankie just bought another car that he's gonna fix and then sell again. Alright, so let's have a quick look on the inside then of the car. So as you can see right now, let's focus up. So as you can see right now, the interior is completely empty. Side door cards, the seats, everything is out. And so we're gonna clean this all up, and then we're gonna start gluing the new parts in, which are over on this side under these blankets. So here we have all the new carpet. I'm gonna lay these out later and then start figuring out where to start. Just to quickly give you a look, here is the side. Perfectly painted everything, as you can see. I've mounted another sticker just to see what it would look like. I'm going to remove this again and then get a new fresh one on there. I'm also still deciding on wheels. I've got new wheels on the car now. Matte on the rear, or gloss with matte in the front. So I'm still figuring out which setup to run. I haven't really decided yet, but I'm probably going to go with the classic Fuchs design, the matte on matte finish. Just love how it looks. Then we also have lots of things in the front to prep. We're also going to polish the entire car. So yeah, a lot to do here. But without further ado, I'm just going to roll some music, give you some of the images that we've had prepping the car, painting, everything, and then some of the interior footage to build this car. So let's go.
Moment. Ja?
Ne? Kommt da drauf. Alright, so the past couple of days, as you have been able to see in the footage I've shown you just now, were quite intense. I've spent a lot of time working on the 911. But we're pretty much done today. Today is the final day. The car's gonna head out tomorrow to a 911 specialist who is going to do the inspection or who's going to bring the car for inspection for me, because they know what they're doing, and it's actually not that easy to get this car road legal here in Switzerland as it is right now. But let's have a quick look around the car, and then yeah, super nice. So we're going to fully polish the car today. A friend is helping me. We're gonna spend pretty much all afternoon doing that. Lots of parts here laying around, but the interior is pretty much done. As you can see, we now have the Momo prototype steering wheel. We have a short shifter installed from Numeric. Pretty much one of the best short shifters on the market. I'm gonna test it tomorrow, hopefully, when I'm gonna drive the car up to the specialist. And yeah, I mean, the interior looks pretty much like new again. The seats, I've polished everything. We have new carpets in. There's still going to be some parts filled in here, but that's pretty much it. We now also have the wing in the rear, as you can see. So that completes the look. We have the new wheels on. We're gonna fit larger tires, so the fitment gets a bit better, but that is pretty much what we're working with right now. Still a lot of parts to get in, but yeah, looking good. So I will show you some more clips of detailing the car this afternoon to finish off this video. But if you liked it, please help me out by hitting subscribe, like, or comment down below if you have any questions regarding the 911, or you have a 911 project yourself. And then I'll be back in a couple of weeks, and then yeah, showing you the final car in its finished and road legal form. See you soon, guys.